I'm Cree and my home community is Cross Lake, Manitoba. I'm the store manager here in Moose Factory. We've always wanted to move to Moose Factory. We've never been here before, but we've heard nothing but great things about the community and the people here.
You see things and experience things throughout the north that you could either just dream of, being in the south, because it can be quite expensive to come up through the north. And that's where the company comes in handy, and they can help get you to places that you never thought you could. So
when Moose Factory came open again, we definitely jumped at the opportunity to come up here and work with the people here.
Between the cultures, the wildlife, the overall experience, you see some stuff that it's jaw-dropping at the end of the day.
Every community I've been in, they have different traditional that they do. So I would say just take part, watch, observe, and try and take advantage of what's in front of you, because every community is very unique, whether it's Cree, Dene, Ojibwe, or Inuit.
I tell people just totally soak up the experience.
Moose Factory is one of the oldest posts with Hudson's Bay. This is our quick stop here. So this is the restaurant area. And as you can see back here, there's just, very great setup, kind of the evolution of past of Moose Factory. A lot of people, older pictures, photography. And you can see here, where you can see the older stores here. And this would be the manager's house here, where it is today. This is a Hudson's Bay staff housing. So it's very old, very rich with history. You can see here it has a sign with the Hudson's Bay Company staff housing. So it's a historical site. It was company housing, yeah. So now it is a museum. People can come in, and this is a really big tourist site as well. The pros of raising a family in the north, to me, is beneficial. I grew up in a very small community. And my husband as well, he was raised in a small community. So to us, it was something that we wanted to raise our son in a smaller community as well, just because everybody kind of knows everybody. Working with my spouse, it has its ups and downs. Sometimes we have to compromise because one of us is a bit more headstrong and one of us is very more relaxed. We can always settle on, what's going to be best for the customer and for the company.
Being able to talk to your spouse is a little different than talking to someone that's like a manager once removed sometimes. I think it could be really beneficial for most couples coming up like that.
When we do get time off, we're very tight-knit. We like to stay close to home, but when we do, we're very outdoorsy people. We really enjoy camping, we enjoy fishing. We made sure that we got all our fishing licenses before we came up to Moose Factory. I think Northwest Company in any location has a big impact. In a lot of our communities, it's the only store that people can go in and shop. I always say a happy customer makes me happy as well. First part is we always want to make sure that we always try to be a part of the community.